Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri yugite namba ya arwaru a COVID-19 nitanyitwo guthi na mbere kwambatira makiria kuona arwaru aingi aria maragwata murimu uyu guku bururi-ini matiri na umenyo kana ndariri. Kumana na uhoro thibitari ciothe guku bururi-ini kuma kuri iria nini nginyagia iria nene niciuritio cihariri na indo iria irabatarikana niguo guthimana na kurigita murimu uyu amu murwaru no athie thibitari o yothe atari na umenyo ena virus.
Even though you are not a COVID-19 management facility, it's a requirement that every other health facility is equipped with adequate PPE for that unforeseen event that a COVID suspect may walk into your facility. You must have adequate PPE to be able to manage that suspect.
Arigitani na atungata arwaru magithiaga na mbere kuhurana na COVID-19 thibitari ni ciuritwo ithingate mawatho maria magathikitwo amu namba ya andu aria maragwatania murimu mathibitari-ini ni irathi na mbere kuongerereka undu uria ni ugwati kuri atungata arwaru.
Incidences of COVID-19 infections have arisen, and particularly due to cross-infection in healthcare facilities. And this is a matter that the ministry has taken seriously, and we would want to appeal to all hospitals, public and private, to be extremely careful to ensure that they put in place measures that reduce the possibility of cross-infection. The ministry reminds each and every partner that we shall continue to work together to ensure that regulations are adhered to when it comes to preventing cross-infection at the hospital level.
Rungu rwa mathaa 28 ngirinya na 78 nio mathimitwo kuri andu 278 monekanite na homa ino na gukinya namba ya arwaru guku bururi-ini 5811 kuri andu angi 31 mahonete homa ino guku andu ana magikwa na gukinya namba ya iku 141.
Cumulative number of cases conducted so far 162,478 tests. Out of today's cases, all except 2 are Kenyans, and according to gender, we have 181 of them being male and 97 of them female. The youngest is 1-year-old infant, whereas the oldest is 84. Today, we are happy to report that we've discharged 31 patients from various hospitals, bringing to total 1,936, the total number who've recovered so far, and we continue to salute our healthcare workers for this commendable work.
Kuona namba ya ikuũ cia ciana ni irongerereka aciari ni moritio marumire mendekithia maria magathikitwo na kinyi na oho makerwo matigetigire kuongithia ciana ni undu wa murimu uyu.
Through WHO guidelines, we continue to encourage mothers to continue breastfeeding. Breastfeeding has not been identified as a source of infection when it comes to COVID-19 from mother to child. However, what we are realizing is that some of these infants, when we do go to contact tracing and test the mother or the household, there are some positives that we are getting. So it's all back to those containment measures within our household. It's all back to ensuring that we are sanitizing our surfaces in the houses. For those who can stay at home and can work from home, that can be, undertaken.
Namba ya umuthi ya arwaru 278 niyo namba iria nene muno yonekanite guku bururi-ini na hari andu aya kaunti ya Nairobi niyo tongoretie na arwaru 171. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Kate Muthoni.